Hello everyone. So in this video, we will check available dummy application to practice mobile application security testing. So we can check in official site of OWASP. In the OWASP, we can see there are reference available for multiple applications. So these are the iOS application which we can install and practice security testing. And also we can see there are reference link for Android application. So there are multiple applications available, which is intentionally vulnerable, and we can install it in our mobile device and solve challenges and understand the exploitation of different kind of vulnerability. So few of the application is like Android, if, and another dummy application which we can practice is Diva. So here, if we check, this Android application is vulnerable and insecure, and it covers various vulnerabilities. So we can go to the official site, and even in case of Diva application, we can see it has 13 different challenges. So it will basically give us the idea of different vulnerability and how to exploit those vulnerability. In the Android, we can see in the GitHub page, these are the vulnerability covered in the Android application. So we can solve all these challenges to understand how to exploit these vulnerability in any Android application. And this is the link to download the APK file, and we can install this APK file in the mobile device or in emulator. Even similarly, we can install Diva application as well in the emulator or mobile device, and we can exploit available vulnerability. So in the Diva app, we can see these are the vulnerability covered. So in upcoming videos, we will install this dummy app and we'll try to solve available challenges. Thank you.